Hi guys, it's Freddie from Prindiville. I'm here with Sandz today, and he's come on a client's behalf, come all the way down from Birmingham in fact, to pick up this lovely purple Lamborghini Huracan.
Sandz from Milton Keynes. Here today on behalf of my cousin Harminder, picking up his brand new Lamborghini Huracan. Found it on Auto Trader, kind of caught his eye. Went straight down to Prindiville, went to view it, fell in love with it. Guys at Prindiville been great, happy with the handover, can't wait to get in it and drive it home.
Here's the keys and watch the speed cameras on the way home.
Cheers. Try.
Thanks a lot. Cheers. Sandz is on his way back up to Birmingham in the stunning one-off Lamborghini in purple.